Good morning, I'm Stephanie Miss Harris to you. And I have a morning vlog. I'm just waking up, you know, maybe 20 minutes ago or so. Okay, as you see, I haven't done my hair or anything. You know, actually, my husband. You gonna do a little introduction? Oh, it's far too early for him. But yeah, Mike Moore. And then we have Mr. Kemet. Kemet? You gonna do a little introduction?
What?
You wanna say your name?
Yeah.
What do you wanna say on the camera?
I can say Jujunior.
Who?
Jujunior.
What's that?
Jujunior is the show. But he guy.
Here, guy. Okay.
But he said Jujunior, he turned for a kid. He said Jujunior again, he turned for a gold.
Okay, that's enough.
But yeah, powers.
Okay, that's enough.
Like low to it powers.
Good morning. Oh. Hi everybody. It's me, Mike Moore. Why you got the camera on me so early?
Because I'm doing a morning vlog.
I'm still asleep.
Yeah, look at that big bed he's sleeping in. Actually, we have a big bed too, though, king size. But I think by it being light, it looks bigger.
But these can be
Yeah.
super good.
But this bed, yeah, it's comfortable. It's really comfortable. Actually, my son wants his mattress back, tell you the truth. But
This like is so cool.
the one thing I don't like about this, sleeping in this bed, is sleeping with my son, Kemet. Kemet sleeps so wild. He kicked his feet in my face. I woke up, I'm like, you know like sometimes you just be sleeping and something be feeling good and all of a sudden you open your eyes, it was his feet.
In my face.
You did, that's not funny. And then he kicked me in my stomach. I mean, he fell out the bed. So I think he gonna get a little blowout mattress on the floor. Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna get off this.
And get me dressed.
Oh yeah, I gotta get him dressed. Well, your clothes right here. Yeah.
Oh, just show that.
Yeah, your clothes right there. But yeah, I'm gonna get off this camera because I gotta get dressed myself. I gotta do my hair. Yeah, do some to the stuff. And then I'm gonna go downstairs and get something to eat. So see you in a bit. Okay, welcome back. Okay, actually I'm preparing the sides for the lobster tails because we're doing a seafood boil. So my son and his wife, they went to go get the lobster tails. So I'm in charge of cooking the sausage, potatoes. Ooh, I have the shrimp to cook too. You know? Let me see. How did I forget that? I'm in charge cooking the shrimp. Shrimp, lobster tails, and corn, and potatoes. Kind of dark in here. I know we got it. Jumbo shrimp. I hear my son, Kemet. Okay, so I'm in charge of cooking the lobster tails. No. I'm in charge of cooking the, right here. Let me see. I'm in charge of cooking this sausage. Well, I kind of scorched it first and then, semi-boiling because I like my stuff all the way done. Okay, and then I got the potatoes boiling right here. Some yellow and red potato mix, and my corn. I don't have a big pot for the corn because my husband, he cooked us some greens, so he's using a bigger pan. So I'm gonna make sure that's done too. So they went to go pick up the lobster tails, and then I'm gonna put this in water. Some big old jumbo shrimp. So let me finish. Okay. So let me finish cooking the stuff that I need to cook for this seafood boil to happen. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, welcome back. We out taking a walk on the walk trail.
Whoa.
It's beautiful out here. And Kim is really enjoying this. Is it too hot for you?
No, it got breezy over here by the trees.
Yeah, it's got some water over here. I don't know. Yeah. It's like a little pond, a nice little sized pond. Kemet, Kemet,
What?
you gonna say hi?
Hi.
Yeah. I'm just taking a walk. Actually, I really didn't want to, but I don't turn walks down that too often. Well, yes, I do. But this is beautiful out here. You know, I need my sunshades actually, sunglasses. But
Okay, see, that's
this
what he
is-
need right there.
huh?
I said, that's what Kimmy need right there. He just needs to run.
Yeah, he's running ahead of us. Come here, you too far. Yeah, this is beautiful right here. This is, we still in Texas, of course. Can't go wrong. Oh, look at some benches.
Got a bench?
It's some benches. Oh, I'm
Taking a stroll, taking a stroll.
sure.
Come on, you in my way, boy.
You have to really stop in front of you.
Hey, Kimmy.
That's somebody's house. Yeah, up there.
So they building on out here. Here we is once again in Texas, like Stephanie said. Kim, so what you gonna do now, Kimmy? Huh? Now you outside. You can talk and scream and jump and do all the stuff that you be doing inside the house. Go ahead. Do what you do. You don't want to now? Oh, now you hot. But at first you was all about having fun. You ain't having fun no more?
Oh.
Oh boy.
Oh,
You gonna be all right. Come on, let's turn around.
Okay, we had to cut our walk down a little bit because Kim and his skin is irritated. He got sensitive skin. What's the matter, Kenneth?
This irritated here. I just need to not look at the sun.
And then what?
I'm just burning it. About hurting.
Oh, yeah, the sun is. Oh, we're right there. Yeah,
My power's going away.
he got like a lot of allergies for flowers and grass and food. It's hard to keep up with him sometimes, but we have to. That's why we brought him on a trip with us because, you know, no one know our baby better than us. Yep. So, see you in a bit. Okay, we traveling quite a bit today, but we going to Smoothie Kings because somebody want to shake, which they're not even trying to diet or nothing.
I am dieting.
Well, he's trying to be conscious, but
I'm
not.
always conscious. Whatever you put in your body, you know,
Okay.
you gotta
Well-
be able to feel good about it.
Well, I'm not being conscious about my body. Let's say that. So I gave up a while back. So yeah, we about to get a smoothie though. Hi. What?
A little different.
It do look different.
Hi.
Okay, well, thank you. I'm gonna get a 32-ounce pineapple summer shrimp.
The pineapple mango will be just
Okay, yeah, that'd be fine. Yeah, I never tried that before, the mango, but yeah, it'd be
yeah, it's pretty good.
fine. Okay.
Here you go, I
I took the lemon ginger. Yeah, the 32. No sweeter.
Is there a sweetener with the summer shrimp?
This has stevia.
Okay, can you minus that out? Yeah,
Also,
thank
let
you.
me get
The strawberries. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. What was the kids one?
The most popular of the kid one will be the angel fruit.
The angel fruit?
I'm sorry, the little angel. It will be strawberry bananas and multivitamin.
Does that have any dairy?
No, it's just the fruit.
Okay, yeah, we'll try that one. Yeah, he need a multivitamin.
Oh, I'm sorry. The little one doesn't have any sugar added.
Okay.
Yeah, I was missing the other one.
Okay. Yeah, I just hate sugar.
I wanted a pure recharge.
This show's good.
Yeah.
To the lemon ginger.
Yeah, to the lemon.
And the little angel. Okay, so it will be a lean one pineapple mango 32 ounces and a lemon ginger spinach 32 ounces with no stevia, and you're gonna add pure recharge and a little angel. Okay. Please send me your card.
Got my card. Now, do you take the numbers, the phone numbers?
You can do it with the receipt because we cannot add points with the.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry
Okay,
about that.
it's cool. Playing this new game. Well, I'm not. Somebody else is. I want to play. I still love to play this game.
This is Pac. This is Junior Pac-Man. This board goes. Look, see how it goes to the side?
Yeah. Oh.
It goes all the way.
Are you on now? Yeah, this is a nice little arcade game right here.
Junior Pac-Man.
See, I should have played in since it was your second game.
I could put 2 players. The next one will be 2 players.
Whatever. See, he know I'm gonna whoop his butt in that game. Yep, but right now I'm just waiting until my son get home. Him and his wife to bring back some lobster tails. I am messing up. I've been got done with these potatoes. Okay, let me know when I'm ready. I gotta put the potatoes in the in this little container right here. I'm gonna show you these potatoes. These potatoes look good. Look at these potatoes. Look at these potatoes. Got the little butter at the bottom. Drizzle that butter. Look at that. It's nice and salted. It, you know, it's like white little stuff on it, but that's butter. Yeah, that's butter. That's unsalted butter. And then over here, my husband makes some greens. Look, he makes some good greens too, good and healthy. And I got this heat up. I just heated up. It's the sausage that I cooked a little while ago, and this corn too. And then try to keep everything warm and stuff. Huh? Yeah. You ready? Oh, my bad. Hold on. I'm trying. I gotta take this stuff out. Okay, I'm back. Well, I guess I don't have to say I'm back, you know, because I'm gonna clip this out. But anyway, we're doing a Q&A, and you know, I think I'm gonna win. But then again, you know, to keep it real, I think my daughter's gonna win.
Nope.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get to know me. And what is it called?
What?
What is it called?
This is a who knows me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, who knows me? So
It's kind of like a Q&A. It's kind of like
yeah.
question and answer.
You wearing that?
It matches my shirt, don't it?
I guess.
You got the little blue in it? Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I think I'm gonna win.
I don't got a haircut, y'all. That's why. I don't got a haircut.
But you still have stroke and waves though.
It's messed up. I get my haircut tomorrow.
So do you think you're gonna win?
Now.
So do you,
Yeah, I think I'm gonna win. I know a lot of questions. I get a lot of answers. I do.
but he said he mixed it up. He made it fair.
Yeah, but I mean, I feel like I'm gonna win. Well, I think it'd be tied. I think it'd be tied. But
Whatever.
when I get under pressure, I like forget stuff. Are you like that?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
That's
am.
me. So when he asks us, I might forget because I'm under pressure.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
So it'd be a tie.
Well, enough about her. Look at her pregnancy belly.
Let me stand up.
She is about to, you know, drop this load
Did it look like she dropped or no?
a little bit.
It does. I was thinking it looked like she like went down. A
Yeah, 'cause that's why I was looking at it. Yeah. I can't wait to see her. Well, yeah, no, I don't think I got
What
fired.
if she's what if she come out like bald and
What's her name?
we're not telling you. She don't have a name yet.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Well, but, okay. Since she ain't trying to tell us, no, you're not supposed to eat yet.
She's hungry. I blame it on the baby.
Okay, blame on the baby. Okay. But how I tell you, that's lemon. No, that's a pepper. It's not hot though, hot. You need some spicy in it to kick it up a notch.
Ew.
You don't like it?
What is it? What kind of pepper is it? Banana pepper?
Yeah. Okay, well don't eat that.
I wouldn't eat this.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about right there. Ooh.
Mama
Okay.
cooked it up.
You know what? I did all this, except for this though.
Yeah, but the rest you did everything though.
Yeah, and we got some beloved sauce right here. It's not a lot, but you know, it's enough. You know, potatoes and, you know, some broccoli. I don't know what type of broccoli that is, but it's some broccoli without being cut up, let's say that. Yeah.
Looks like asparagus kind of.
Yeah, they do, don't it? Oh, you guys got greens. Oh.
Did you want so you said no?
No, I'm just saying. Okay, you know, I'm about to get off this camera because I'm getting hot, as you can see. Yeah, I'm getting nervous about this this challenge, or not challenge, but what is it? A Q&A slash.
Get to know me. No, who knows me better?
Who knows me better? But no, it's these rings over here. It's drawing some heat too. So, okay, well, hopefully I'll win. So if I win, I'll come back and be happy, and I'll record, you know, some of my face, you know, frowning up. No. It's not a win or lose, is it?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna feel bad if I lose though.
I'll feel bad if I lose too.
Yeah, like I should know him. I think
but you had him recently. You know what I'm saying? Like for the last.
Yeah, if it's questions about his childhood, you gonna know more answers than me.
But then again, you should know his childhood.
You tell me everything. So you know everything about Marvin's childhood?
Not everything,
That's what I'm saying.
cause I thought he was a bad kid. All these years, I found out he was a good kid.
Yeah.
I'm like, what?
Oh, yeah, see, I don't know. I'm kind of nervous because David, he gonna come with some hard questions, tell you.
No.
It's gonna be hard, yeah.
Oh, he already told you?
No, I just know him.
Oh.
He's gonna come up with hard questions to make us think.
Oh, okay.
This is good.
Okay, well, see you guys in a bit. See you guys in a bit.